Okay, dear students, we'll be again covering up certain story ideas which I had done earlier. Hope you have learned something out of it. हो सकता है कि आपने वो स्टोरी आइडिया सेशन से कुछ सीखा हो, उम्मीद है बेहतर हुआ हो, तो उसको देखिएगा and learn and understand from it. The most important part is mind को explore करिए. Please explore your mind and please develop confidence in yourself. I am guiding you only to multiply your ideas and to make you richer and better. There is no such theory as the perfect state. It is all about fluidity of your mind. जितना दिमाग rich होगा उतना fluid होगा. दूसरा, always remember that when a person becomes rich initially, he behaves funny. जब भी कोई पहली बार रईस होता है तो एक अजीब तरीके से पेश आता है, पर जब वो निरंतर उस दौलत का इस्तेमाल करता है, सुरक्षा करता है, तो वो समझदार बन जाता है. Same thing, if you become rich in thoughts, you will over the period develop more thoughts and slowly you will master the expertise, master the skill to utilize it rightly. तो आपका दिमाग अच्छे से चलने लगेगा और उचित चलने लगेगा और अपने हिसाब से चलने लगेगा. You don't have to copy me, you have to learn and you have to utilize your own wisdom. आपको मुझे मेरी नकल नहीं करनी बल्कि अपनी तो सीखने के बाद अपनी बुद्धि का खुद सदुपयोग करना है. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. आपकी एक आइडिया रिक्वेस्ट स्नेहा सिंह अंबाला से उन्होंने भेजा है एक लड़की की फोटो, थिंकिंग लेडी. ओके, सपोज हियर यू हैव सीन अ फोटो ऑफ अ थिंकिंग लेडी. यू कैन मेक हर द हीरो ऑफ योर स्टोरी. यू कैन से so and so was very educated, but she was, after marriage, she had a lot of difficulty. She saw that her husband was working day and night, but not able to fulfill the needs of life. So she, after a deep thought, decided to start a thing of her own. Like she also started taking some tuitions, but in the other time, she started a cottage industry. So she used her skill, her knowledge, her intelligence and her determination to somehow manage those circumstances. Within few years, they became prosperous and they were able to manage their life and also support their children with the best of education. अब आपने क्या किया कि एक मोहतरमा को अपना हीरो बनाया और दिखाया कि उसने अपनी बुद्धि लगाई, उसने परिस्थिति से हार नहीं मानी और जीतने के लिए उसने फिर हिम्मत की और अपनी बुद्धि को देखा, अपना मूल्यांकन किया. उसने देखा कि वो शिक्षित है तो साथ में ट्यूशन पढ़ाना शुरू किया अपने पति को सहयोग देने के लिए और साथ साथ में उसने कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री शुरू कर दी जिसके फलस्वरूप वो अच्छी बन गई. दिस इज समथिंग विच यू हैव टू राइट एंड टेल. तो इससे क्या निकलेगा जज्बा कि आप हिम्मत नहीं हारने वाले इंसान. अब आप बोलेंगे सर मैं मेल था पर मैंने लेडी पे स्टोरी लिखी, तो कोई बात नहीं. वह आपने वो लेडी को कहाँ पहचाना, आपने तो उसका व्यक्तित्व तो पहचाना. और व्यक्तित्व हम लोग कौन सा पहचानते हैं, विच काइंड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी वी एसोसिएट विद, जो हमसे मेल खाते, उसके विचार मेल खाते, उससे जेंडर का लेना देना नहीं है. इफ वी आर एजुकेटेड एंड वी थिंक दैट एजुकेशन इस प्रकार का रवैया होना चाहिए, तो वी ऑलवेज लाइक टू सिलेक्ट अ पर्सन ऑफ दैट सेम रवैया. उस प्रकार के रवैये को पकड़ते. कुछ लोग अलग अलग प्रकार के होते हैं. कुछ लोग जेन्युइन होते हैं, कुछ लोग दिखावे के होते हैं, कुछ लोग वास्तविक में जाहिल होते हैं, कुछ लोग अजीब अजीब गरीब के लोग होते हैं, डिपेंडेंट ऑन व्हाट दे हैव लर्नड ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. अगर उन्होंने अपनी सीख में जो भी सीखा हो उस प्रकार के होते हैं. सो दे बिकम लाइक दैट. सो हम लोग हमेशा किन लोगों को पसंद करते हैं या किन लोगों के बारे में लिखना पसंद करते हैं, वो अबाउट व्हाट क्वालिटीज वी लाइक, द वंस व्हिच वी हैव, द वंस व्हिच वी अप्रिशिएट, द वंस व्हिच वी लाइक, दैट इज इट. सो इसीलिए अगर आपको ये क्वालिटीज उसकी मेहनत करने की आती ही नहीं दिमाग में, क्यों नहीं आती? क्योंकि अगर आप करते ही नहीं हो, सोचते ही नहीं हो, पसंद भी नहीं करते तो दिमाग में नहीं आती. बट अगर आ रही है तो अच्छी बात है. गॉट इट? आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस आइडिया स्नेहा. नाउ लेट्स मूव डाउन टू आइडिया रिक्वेस्ट बाय अमर प्रताप. Amar Pratap has shown a situation of a man watching with a lantern in a jungle. Let's take this as a farmer. एक फार्मर है, देर रात में उसका बछड़ा छूट जाता है जंगल में. दिखता है कि गाय और बछड़ा छूट गए. He goes back. He bravely takes a stick, because actually he realizes that in the late night generally there is other animals which will harm them. So he takes not only the lantern but also a stick and other thing, whatever you want to say. He tucks a sword, या वो जो क्या होता है खड़ा सा रख लिया उसने अपने, he tucks it and then he goes out and then he finds them, and luckily they were safe at that point of time. So getting them back in time and seeing him, he could see that there were predators. वो देख सकता था कि कुछ लोग कुछ जंगली जानवर देख रहे, पर उसकी रोशनी और उसके बाद उसके पास कड़ासा से वो आगे नहीं आए और वो दोनों को बचा लाया. You can write a story as good as that. You can also write a story that there was an emergency. तो वो रात ही में हिम्मत से अपने गया अंधेरे में बावजूद और जाके दूसरी जगह पहुंच के उस जन को सेहत में या whatever. Suppose somebody has got a fever and he is having a problem, so he has to get the doctor. So he decides to go in the night, takes the lantern, takes few things and goes the doctor and gets the person okay. Am I right? तो इस प्रकार की जो अंधेरे में भी कार्य होता है उसमें भी जब आप जानते हैं कि in the night time, particularly in jungle and village areas, you generally have some kind of problems, mostly, particularly in jungle area nearby. So you can write that will be showing bravery, courage and also sense of duty. तो आपकी sense of responsibility अच्छी दिखेगी. अमर प्रताप, I hope you got an idea. Now let's get down to picture number 3. This is idea request by Sanjay Prakash Maneshwar, a person paying tribute to a grave. So by a person had lost his, now since it is a graveyard, it either has to be a Muslim or a Sikh, because that is how they do it. So you can say that John had lost his father and he was very sad about it. So he comes after his holiday, after the tribute, he returns back to duty. But when he comes back, he goes to his father's grave and generally talks to his mind, and he realizes that he had an incomplete dream of creating such and such things. So he resolves to his father that he'll do that, and he somehow works very hard and gets it and completes it. So this way you can write a story. You can also write a story about somebody, say Arif had lost his father, but his father was suffering with cancer, so he worked hard and he decides to help cancer specialists. And you know, you have a very good story of Imran Khan, the ex-Pakistan Prime Minister and also cricketer, who created a cancer hospital in the memory of his late mother. So all these kind of inspirations do come, and we generally decide that after losing our dear ones. So you can write, अपने प्रिय लोगों को, अपने बड़े लोगों को जब खो देते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ हम लोग उससे सीख लेते हैं, कुछ दिशा लेते हैं और मेहनत करते हैं. You can write on that. I remember this type of story I got. So I had written that Amar and John were good friends. They were posted in borders. So Amar, unfortunately, John was lost. So Amar goes to his grave and he decides that he is going to take good revenge for the people. And then he goes back and takes very strong action. And with all the jazba, that determination, he kills many soldiers and gives the tribute to his late friend. So this kind of thought process you can show, depends on how you are. Because I had said that I believe in tit for tat. I am a person who fights back. That is why at this stage also we are trying to work a little harder so that we can, really get back to the spirit of this digital mode. And that is why the fight back system is there. So it was there earlier also. So I wrote the story, and I also wrote in my SDT that I am a fight back system. मैं एक SDT में भी ये लिखा कि मेरे को अच्छा लगता. I don't like to give up. ये बात सच है. Let's get going. This idea request is by Satin Jain. He has asked in which journally there is this thing. So you can make it as a organization of marriage or organization of some function. It can show that how you think sequentially in organizing. कैसे आप योजनाबद्ध तरीके से organizing को सोचते हो, कैसे आप उसमें एक सिस्टम बनाते हो. तो आप एक सोच, क्रमबद्ध सोच, कभी भी तैयारी जब भी होती है तो एक क्रमबद्ध सोच होती है, चीज़ों का प्लान होता है और उस प्लान के हिसाब से स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप विजनलाइज करते हो, क्योंकि वो चीज़ तो जब होगी उससे पहले उसको विजुलाइज करते हो, उसका डेकोरेशन विजुलाइज करते हो, उसकी चीजें विजुलाइज करते हो और उसको पूरा करते हो. सो राइट दैट स्टोरी, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी गुड फॉर यू. I hope you understand that, Satyen. No problems. I mean, you can write a story on marriage, you can write a story on any kind of celebration, engagement ceremony. अगर आप में से कुछ लोग फौजी लोग हैं और वो लिखना चाहते हैं कि they have to do a family meet या बड़ा खाना celebration, so he takes the help of the ladies, yeah, takes their suggestion, the last one, और उसके हिसाब से भी बना सकते. So you can make a lot of stories. I hope you learn from this. Next, we come down to Deepak Verma. He's written a story which is very commonly, generally there, that a lady is putting, I think this has come from one of the known websites. He must have downloaded it from there and sent it to us. So we want to discuss, don't make a standard story that a person had lost his husband and then he made sure that he joins the army. Very standard story, very common story. This story can be in different format. It can be a format that there's a boy who's very talented and in mechanical things, and he plays with toys and he always repairs it, and he later becomes, his mother later helps him to become a mechanical engineer. ये भी लिखा जा सकता. There can also be a story shifting towards the lady loses her husband but she decides that she's going to fight back, और वो मेहनत करेगी और वो जम के उस जज्बे में आगे बढ़ेगी और वो मेहनत करती है. And she becomes a teacher and she supports her her child in spite of her losing her husband, and she makes him a successful person. लिख सकते हैं. अगर आपको इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी लिखना है तो ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि भाई एक स्कूल था, स्कूल में founder was a person who always wanted कि he will open a school for children. तो बाद में उसकी वाइफ ने, उस मनी बिजनेसमैन था तो उसकी मनी से उसने स्कूल स्टार्ट किया और फाइनली कई स्टूडेंट्स उसमें एडमिशन लिए. उसमें उसने छोटे बच्चों के खिलौने खेलने की भी जगह बनाई, अदर थिंग्स. सो यू कैन गेट प्लेंटी ऑफ आइडियाज. तो अगर आपने मुझे भेजा है कि मेरे को आइडिया ब्लॉकेज है, यस, मैं मान सकता हूँ कि अगर आप एक स्टैंडर्ड आइडिया लिखेंगे तो गलत है. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट वंस यू गेट एन आइडिया यू कैन चेंज इट टू डिफरेंट मोड्स एंड यू कैन मेक इट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप एवोल्यूशन ऑफ आइडियाज सोचिए, हिम्मत मत हारिए. जिंदगी इसी का नाम है, जद्दोजहद करना. लोग आपको परेशान करेंगे, परिस्थितियां आपको परेशान करेंगी, आपकी विकट परिस्थिति आपको रुलाएंगी, पर हिम्मत वाले व्यक्ति आखिर में अपने मकसद को पूरा करेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ करके जाएंगे कि लोग जानेंगे कि हाँ ये एक उदाहरण था. तो यही बनने की कोशिश कीजिए, एक शानदार व्यक्ति बनिए. The inspiration to motivate yourself to become someone better is what keeps you on. It's like a white fire. एक सफेद आग होती है ना, वो जब सबसे ज्यादा तेज जलती है. So that white fire should be alive in you and you will do very well in life. Next, idea request by Urvashi Sharma. This is about a lady, now this is a beautiful story about your mother and you. So Urvashi could have written a story that there's a girl, her mother loves a lot, and she decides to do something worthwhile, and she works very hard in every class. She also not only competes in academics, but she also does well in sports, other activities. वो सब activities में अच्छा करती है और आखिर वो एक दिन आ जाता है जब वो फौज में ज्वाइन करती है, अफसर बनती है और माँ गौरवान्वित हो जाती है. You can write that. Now, when we come down to picture number 7, the request by Ravi Kant, it is about people, cadets, or it can be an army situation because it's a camp situation. Somebody is holding a person in the back. Now, this kind of pictures are very common in PPDT. In PPDT, they give you a blur picture because your perception gets more involved. जब आपको थोड़ी सी धुंधली पिक्चर दिखाते हैं तो आपका दिमाग की ऑब्जर्वेशन भी तेज आती है और साथ साथ में आपके अध्ययन से पता लगता है कितना बहुमुखी सोचते, किधर किधर क्या क्या सोचते हैं. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसलिए याद रखिए कि जब भी आप धुंधली पिक्चर देखें, whenever you see a unclear picture, use your observation keenly and get the overall impression of it so that you sound logical. अब मान लीजिए आपको कोई धुंधला अंधेरा दिखाया जा रहा है और आपने अपने परिकल्पना को कंट्रोल नहीं किया, अनुशासित नहीं किया और आपने उसमें भूत देखना शुरू कर दिया या कोई और चीज देखना शुरू कर दी, कहीं ना कहीं you are going wrong. So you have to keep your wisdom always intact. याद रखिए, हर व्यक्ति जो व्यक्तित्व अच्छा होता है उसमें विचार भी काफी अनुशासित होते हैं. The person who has a good personality always has a disciplined thought. The variety is not bizarre. Variety जो होती है बहुत विचित्र नहीं होती. Bizarre means विचित्र. It is generally in the same lines. It has a disciplined thought. Yes, variety can differ as per situation, but not too much. Not that you start thinking of ghosts or you start thinking of olden fairy tales. You're not supposed to do that. You have to write practical stories. चलिए वापस आते हैं. So we are seeing a NCC cadet camp. Somebody suffers injury. He takes him, puts him in the camp, gives him rest that you can show, but also continues after that with the other exercise. एक ये भी कर सकते हैं. Heat stroke पे भी बात कर सकते हैं. You can also think of teaching them how to carry someone on the back. ये भी सिखाया जाता है. Fire position, how to catch people. और उसकी ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं. And the person is taught. This way he develops stamina. इस पे भी स्टोरी लिखी जा सकती है. You know, story is not that it has to be a song in between, action scene, romance. It is not that. The story means they want to have an idea. Thematic a perception test. कैसी प्रकार की सोच का विचार आता है और किस प्रकार की चीजें आती हैं और किस प्रकार से आप क्रिया में सोचते हैं. Because the moment you write certain actions, the way you think of those actions identifies your personality. So remember, that is very important. So I hope you got it, Ravikant. Now coming down to picture number 8. Okay, in picture number 8, there is about a farming land and lady catching books, somebody standing here. You can make her as the hero, prominent position. So you can show that so and so, whatever. So let's take it, Riya Onni was an agricultural student and she realized the difficulties with the agricultural people. So she went to different places, learned about what are the different ways they are using soil, crops, how irrigation can help. And by using all that intelligence and what she had learned in this college, she applies it to few sample farms. They start prospering. Then she gets another farm and thus she creates a complete cooperative farming system. लिख सकते हैं कि भाई उसने पहले मौके पे गई, 10 जगह सीखा और जो पढ़ा था उसका प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन किया, एक सैंपल फॉर्म लेके उसमें काम किया, उसका उदाहरण लेके सबको बनाया. So it's a beautiful story. It can be a beautiful story. Similarly, it can be about a old lady standing. So she asked, what is the, one day she was returning, she saw that she's having pregnancy problem, but she's not been caring and she's going by those old principles. So what she does is she sits down with her, explains her how she should take care of her during pregnancy, but also gets a doctor there and then helps her. With the help of NGO, free doctor service is provided to her time. And finally, she is able to get over her pregnancy and has a healthy child. And the farmer is also very happy. You can show. Helpfulness is also a very good Uppsala quality. If you are helpful, if you are visualizing situations, if you are using resources rightly, if you are getting them. Now, for example, for a person, a farmer, he cannot afford the best of doctor. So he can at least get a doctor from an NGO. So you can show that. So these kind of stories will do well. Riya, I hope you've got the idea. Now let's come down to picture number 9. Picture number 9, this is a request from Akriti Nagar where a lady is talking to a person. This looks to be a person smoking or something, you know, in term of administrative or a rich lady or whatever, you get an impression. That there was a rich lady, but she was very, very considerate to help poor. After completing, making her industry successful, she decides to do something for the poor. So she not only calls her one of the best directors and asks her that she wants, and then she visits, and then she helps in creating it. ये बना सकते हैं. भाई आप भी कल को रिटायर होगे, पैसे कमा के आप चाहोगे कुछ सकारात्मक काम करो. जीवन जब तक है कुछ ना कुछ तो करोगे. You would love to do something about your life and to help others. And this kind of community thought कि लोगों की मदद करना, ये एक बार डेवलप हो जाती है तो फिर खत्म नहीं होती. It never dies. Unless a lot of people cheat you for a long time. Yes or no? So remember this. This you can write. These are very good story you can write. You can also write about a lady, she wants to really do something for all the women, so she collects all of them, she makes them educated. You can do that. You want to write something on awareness, you can write the a person. You can also write that somebody went to the rich lady and requested her, then she calls her personal assistant and she sanctions. Thereafter, those people do this, whatever you want to. तो आइडिया की मैं दूंगा. मुझसे भी एक जनाब ने पूछा कि सर एसआरटी को फ्रेम करके आंसर में लिख के बताइए या स्टोरी को पूरी तरीके बना के बताइए. मेरा इरादा इसलिए नहीं बनता. I'll tell you that also. Because suppose I write a story and tell it to you. Many of you will memorize it and many of you will copy the one idea dot to dot and all of you will copy it. And as a result, what will happen? When you go and give the SSB and all of you write same stories without any alteration, without any thought of yours, अपना कोई नया विचार नहीं लिखे, बस सिर्फ जो सीखा उसी को आपने हूबहू छाप दिया. ठीक है, विचार एक जगह से हो सकते, एक प्रकार से हो सकते, पर उसका लेखन, उसके अतिरिक्त हिस्से अलग हो सकते. And should be written. So when you may get an idea, I'm giving you an idea, but you can develop it with the different plots, with different actions. So it will become good for you. I am here to remove your blockage of ideas. I don't want to become a blockage of your success. अगर डॉट टू डॉट स्टोरीज आप लर्न करोगे तो आप ही अकेले तो पढ़ नहीं रहे हो. The others are also writing, and if they also write the same thing, you also write the same thing, and you write same to same, and in the same test, then unfortunately, you both will get out because it will not be original for the psychologist. Every person is unique. हर जन अनेक एक प्रकार से विभिन्न होता है, तो वो अलग तरीके से सोचता है, ये याद रखिएगा. Got it? Next, let's come down to picture number 10. Idea request by Adya saying, here there is a lady sitting and seeing something. Now this can be a creative artist, can be a person watching a TV, can be a person listening to something. These kind of pictures can be used enormously in all directions, हर दिशा. क्योंकि विचार उत्पन्न हुआ उसके बाद फिर तो आपकी कहानी कहीं पे भी जा सकती है. मान लीजिए आपने एक पिक्चर देखी तो उसके दिमाग में आया क्यों ना हम एक ऐसी पिक्चर बनाएं और फिर उसमें अपने विचार लिख दीजिए. इस पिक्चर में ये दिखाएं so that people can learn from it. Wonderful. You want to write something that कि किसी ने एक बात सुनी, ऑब्जर्व की, उसको यूज किया, प्रोजेक्ट बनाया और उससे एक अच्छा यूनिक आइडिया से कम्युनिटी की मदद की. ही developed not only the idea but he visualized the whole thing and created something new. You can write. So this is the beauty which you can do. I hope you got my point. Adya, there's no point to deliberately give you the whole stuff. It is only to give you a few ideas, 1, 2, 3, and you will develop it. And please trust me, develop your confidence. I would have done everything for everyone, but the problem is that if I do it, specifically giving complete details, you will become handicapped. You will copy me. I don't want you to copy me. I want you to learn from me. मेरे से सीखिए, but copy मत कीजिए. अपना कुछ नया बनाइए. Every child copies from father, learns from father, not copies, and creates a new version. वैसे ही आप भी एक नया वर्जन बनाएं. That is what I request you. Now let's get back to story number 11. Story number 11 is Avnish Pal. This is a storm situation. Somebody walking. Yes, you can say that so and so there. He was stuck up in storm. He went through. अब क्यों तूफान में चल रहा है? हो सकता है कई लोग तूफान में फंस गए तो उसको बचाने गए. That can be rescue situation can be written. That they come to know that is a huge storm and a lot of soldiers are, lot of workers or soldiers are trapped in one place. So he went there and made sure that everybody is safe. Yes, one can be कि उसको पता था जिम्मेदारी है. Somebody is having a problem. So in spite of storm, he went through, but just covered his face and reached the place and somehow did the responsibility. Sense of responsibility भी आपकी आ जाएगी. जिम्मेदारी की सोच आ जाएगी. जैसे कभी-कभी डॉक्टर को कोई ऑपरेशन करने जाना है, तूफान आ गया, फिर भी वो पहुंचता है. क्यों पहुंचता है? क्योंकि मदद करने के लिए. Got it? Now let's come down to picture number 12. Always remember in adversity, let's go back to the last picture. In adversity, if you don't get discouraged and yet you complete it, I want to appreciate you have the determination. Believe me, we are also working with all the determination in the world. God bless us to complete the project. Because this project of reaching out to helping the border people at the borders and everywhere with more transparency is what we are working for. So determination, lot of issues we are managing. दिक्कतें आती है पर अगर हिम्मत रखते हैं आप तो उसको पूरा करते हैं. I hope you understand that. That is why these pictures are there to check your fear and check your determination. Now, idea request by Bharati Kumari from Hyderabad. This is about a lady and somebody. Okay, this can be like, they're eating something. Either it can be a picnic organization in which you have organized a picnic, then they all celebrated, talked, can be written. Second, it also can be to giving support to girls' education, to poor girls. They not only provided them good food, good dress, but also helped them, created an organization and did that. Yes or no? And now there are many people, you can also say that while visiting such orphanage or other places, they came to know that many of the girls wanted to really become an officer. So they decided that they will start a course, and they did this, like regularly push them to speak, to make them tougher, made them do physical activities to make their mind stronger, and finally they became an officer. You can write n number of ideas. You can also write about how food hygiene system can be created. You can talk about how you were a food inspector and you visited different places and you found that the food quality, then took necessary action, made everything proper, but also taught how to utilize economically but make it good. अब कई लोग सस्ता कई चीजें होती हैं, अगर हम परिस्थिति वर्ष कमजोर भी लेके आते हैं पर उसको अच्छे से पकाते हैं तो हमारे शरीर को लग जाता है. For example, I remember as a mess manager way back in Allahabad University. I'm taking you back to late 80s and just the starting of the 90s. When I was there, I really found that there were a lot of people, graduation time. Yes, there were a lot of people running their messes, but their mess was different. So what I did was I used an idea. I said, okay, if it is going to cost a lot, you at least get cheaper thing, but cook it well, make it taster. Everybody will love it. Even if you have simple khichdi in a very nice way done, you love it. And your food is also good. It is not necessary to have a lot of chicken tikka and paneer tikka and all that stuff. You can even enjoy the khichdi provided it is rich and well cooked. So remember, if you have the wisdom, you can do things in an economically and very nicely. So remember, that is what we want to talk. Now let's come down to picture number 13. This is by Priya Duggal, a small girl. So and so saw. Now you cannot become that small girl. You can't go back that. So one day so and so visited, saw a small girl. She was very good in making an art. She was making an art in the soil, and they identified that this can be beautiful. And then they helped her to bigger platform, and then she became a national artist. One idea. Second idea can be that she was quietly thinking, so she asked him. So she said many things. What she had some scientific ideas. They realized that she's got good observation and good scientific ideas helped her. She became a good scientist. Similarly, you can say that there was a girl, she was sitting all alone. She was a little sad, thinking about different people. And she had lost her father in the armed forces, and she wanted to go back into it because she had dreamt to be an armed forces person. So she helped, and finally she became an army officer. ऐसे बहुत सारे आइडियाज आपके पास आएंगे, जो उचित लगे आप बनाइए, अच्छे से लिखिए. कहानी is done. Priya, I hope you got it. Now come down to picture number 14. Ravi Kumar Thakur. He has written a story where there is only a boat scene, nothing else. Now you can make this story as a person who's a tourist officer who sees a beautiful place. He finds that few people come there. He realizes the place has potential, कि बहुत अच्छी जगह है जिसको एक अच्छा टूरिस्ट स्पॉट बना, उसने उसको डेवलप किया और वहाँ जिसके फलस्वरूप ना ही लोग आने लगे बल्कि वो जगह के लोगों का भी आर्थिक विकास हुआ. They got economically richer. When tourists come to some place, they automatically spend money there, and the people there earn money from that. So you can do that. Next, it can be like it's a boat standing in a lonely spot. He understood that somebody is hiding and they recalled that there was a criminal so and so who has been missing, and then they identified, and then they kept the observation, and finally they were able to catch the criminal. Whatever you want to write. A custom officer also, he came to know that between the forest there is a thin inlet, by sea से inlet आता है ना, अंदर चला आता पानी, उसमें देखा उसने boat. He understood that people often use this place to use for smuggling. He traps and catches all of them. Idea आ गए बहुत सारे. That's exactly what we are trying to do. Now, okay, Ravi Kumar. Now let's come down to picture number 15. These are two people, elderly person talking to you. Now you can show how important is the advice of elderly person, because it is experience oriented. So a person is supposed to do a job, he's given this, he gets the advice, he immediately identifies what can be done well, and then he applies it. For example, there is a team player, he takes the help of a coach, can be one. Similarly, there is a person taking an advice on a proper operations by a senior officer, can be one. You know, if you've got respect for authority, if you have respect for experience, I think you will fit well in organization. क्योंकि आप जब व्यक्ति की इज्जत करेंगे, बड़े की इज्जत करेंगे, उनके राय की इज्जत करेंगे, आप उनकी बातें सुनना पसंद करेंगे, उस बात को लागू करेंगे, अपनी बुद्धि लगाएंगे, मुझे लगता है बहुत शानदार इंसान है, आप संस्था में बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, क्योंकि आपको संस्था में मौका मिलेगा काम करने का और बेहतर करने का. Is it clear? So I hope you've got this idea. Now Praveen Prakash has given this idea of a small boy sitting down with laptop or something, or a mobile probably. Well, you can say that so and so, he realized that there was a small boy, he was very talented, he used to sing this, he decides that they should use him and get him as an inspiration to the whole school. And then he was made a popular, but all his talent were very productive, and thus he became an icon and many people got inspired. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सच. आप जानते हैं मोटिवेशन कैसे देते हैं? You set examples. You do quality yourself. तब दूसरे लोग आपको देख के मोटिवेट होते. So always do one thing. Always try to be an inspiration to others, and you're going to do wonders. Remember that. Now similarly, you can also write that so and so was there. He was sitting and thinking what to do, and then he got an idea. Science experiment. अगर आपके बचपन में कोई बात है, कोई छोटा सा अनुभव आपके स्मॉल चाइल्ड में, आपको एक छोटे स्टेज में कोई चीज सिखाई गई, तो आपने उसको कैसे लागू की, उसके बेसिस पे कौन सा साइंटिफिक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, वो भी आप लिख सकते हैं. So and so was in class 10th, and one day the teacher told them to come up. So he created this project. This project was based on this, but he created this method, or everybody like that, and later this project was sent to higher classes. देखिए, some of the people will be wondering why I'm not giving a very big melodramatic stories. बहुत बड़ी और विशेष प्रकार की कहानियां क्यों नहीं बता रहा हूँ. देखिए, सिलेक्शंस आपकी सामान्य तर्क पे होता है. बड़ी बातें नकल में आएंगी. दूसरी बात, बड़ी बातों में प्रैक्टिकलिटी कम होती है. तीसरी बात, आप जब बहुत ज़्यादा अपना हवा बनाते हैं और उसके बाद आपसे गहन छानबीन की जाती है, तो आप उस चीज़ की निरंतरता कॉपी नहीं कर पाते. You will not be able to consistently prove the big things. So it is very important to be what you are, to be healthy, to be practical, to be intelligent at ground level. Is it clear? That is why. Now let's go down to situation number 17. Now this is very clearly a poor condition of a village. You can create a village development officer. He realized the people, and then what all he did to improve the village. You can do that. You want to show about the educationist, a teacher visited, he realized that in spite of best government support, they are not knowing, so he stays there. He not only teaches the people, but he also helps them to improve their life. As a result of which, they become superb. Yes or no? That's it. You can do that. ये याद रखिएगा. Rajesh Sharma, you getting the point. There are many things. You can also teach them how they can, मतलब they realize कि वहाँ पे उनके पास fishes का अच्छा resource है, but they are not aware how to rear them, तो वो उस पे सिखाता है. And then they start getting good production from the fishing, and also thus support their family and improve the condition. ये भी कर सकते हैं. बुद्धिमत्ता दिखाओ, कॉपरेशन सिखाओ, कोऑपरेटिव फार्मिंग सिखाओ कि कैसे मिल के काम करना है, कैसे जिम्मेदारी से काम करना है, कैसे यूनिक दिमाग लगा के जुगत जुगाड़ देख के देखिए बुद्धिमता बस यही करा ये नहीं करा। कई लोग तो आप पूरे देश में when you will go through India is such a huge country that you will find many of them minus wisdom because they are not applying anything and they are unfortunately not having the confidence to apply their wisdom also. And this is where the leadership becomes important. In the this is where officer becomes important because officer is a post which gives directions and proper guidance and proper ideas to run properly. That is why officers are very important. Now coming down to picture number 18. Now this shows a very huge crowded. You lately had a Kumbh situation, right? And how did the railways manage? You can create a railway officer and how he organized the entire crowd and how he managed it. Now if you are appreciating the railway officer and writing how he managed intelligently the entire crowd, you are again showing administrative observation. एजुकेशन 3 प्रकार से आती है, तो एक्सपीरियंस से या ऑब्जर्वेशन से या लर्निंग से। एक्सपीरियंस आपके लिए लर्निंग, तीनों लर्निंग है, पर एक होता है दूसरे से सीखना, एक होता है ऑब्जर्वेशन से सीखना, एक होता है एजुकेशन से सीखना। तो अगर आपकी कहानी में तीनों जगह की खुशबू आ रही है, इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू। सो यू कैन राइट द स्टोरी। यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट अबाउट हाउ देयर इज अ ऑफिसर, ही कम्स टू नो दैट पीपल आर प्रोटेस्टिंग and stopping the train. He comes over, he talks convincing. अगर आप बहुत अच्छी बातें समझाने में माहिर हैं, बुद्धि लगाने में माहिर हैं, आपको लगता है कि आप अच्छी convincing करते हैं, तो you can show that. He goes there and tells them that he is going to sort out everything, but if they will do this and they take the law in the hand, they are already copying the pictures. Unfortunately, you all will suffer with court cases. So everybody backs off. And he also requests them, and thereafter he genuinely takes their issues to the government and resolves it. This way he earns more respect. कह सकते हो, कोई करा भी नहीं। So एक कुंभ वाली मैनेजमेंट भी आप दिखा सकते हो। कुंभ में आपने देखा था भीड़ इकट्ठा हो गई थी, रेलवेज में बड़ी दिक्कत आ गई थी। How they managed, you can show that. Piyush, I hope you got an idea. Picture number 19, idea request by Kumar Pratap. This is about a very simple thing of people talking in the village. There is a goat and this thing. So you can talk about village. एक पहलू पकड़ो विलेज का, जो भी आपको सुधारना है, चाहे आपको गोट रियरिंग पे सुधारना है, चाहे आपको लगता है कोई सैनिटेशन सफाई पे सुधारना है, या आपको लगता है क्रॉप की प्रॉब्लम है या क्रॉप सेलिंग की प्रॉब्लम है, बस एक चीज पकड़ लीजिए। सपोज इट्स क्रॉप सेलिंग, सो एंड सो ही रियलाइज दैट द फार्मर्स वर सेइंग टू द ऑफिसर दैट दे आर नॉट गेटिंग to sell crops and by storing them they are losing a lot. He assures them that he will do that. Now what he does is he tells them that they will not be wasting money on transportation. They will arrange transportation, but in the process they will charge something. So on the whole the farmer will be winner. Farmers agree kar jate, and thus he ensures that their crop is picked up from the farmland itself. भाई खेत से ही क्रॉप्स चले गए। इस प्रकार की कुछ विचार पकड़ सकते। सैनिटेशन में कि वहां पे काफी लोग मलेरिया, सो द पर्सन सेज फॉर श्योर दे आर रियरिंग मॉस्किटो। वो खुद वहां गया, पता लगाया तो देखा एक जगह में काफी सारे मच्छर पानी वानी के कारण डेवलप होते हैं। सो इट टीचेस देम हाउ टू कंट्रोल दी ब्रीडिंग ऑफ मॉस्किटोज, ताकि मॉस्किटोज ज्यादा न बने और उस तरीके से कंट्रोल करते लिख सकते हैं। सो ऑल दीज डिफरेंट स्टोरीज कैन बी डन। Kumar Pratap, I hope you getting an idea. See, I could have done more, but the idea is not to make you handicapped. The idea is only to give you some directions and let you do. Still, you require something. You can post this on our channel, YouTube channel, or you can post it directly at lamilteracademy@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you with whatever little I can. I will try my best. I cannot assure you because I already have a lot of work, but still I'll try. Okay, next. Last picture which I want to discuss today in this session will be by Anis Ahmed. He has written a story about a lady holding a person. Now here there is a possibility of negative perception. Somebody may take it as film scene of somebody dying. Somebody may take it as film scene of somebody in a very bad state. Okay, it can be one person talking to each other, it can be somebody standing near the stairs, whatever, you can get anything. I always believe that if you see positive, you will always manifest positive. आप में सकारात्मक चीज होनी चाहिए, हिम्मत कभी नहीं आनी चाहिए. A lady realizes her mother has a bad stroke. She says that she literally falls on the stage. She immediately holds her, gives her some relief, and tries to make her happy. And after that, she realizes she has this problem. She immediately consults a doctor, और उसको वापस ठीक करा लो. Why do you want to create a negative ending to any picture? Don't you have hope for tomorrow? क्या आप लोगों को कल के लिए आशा नहीं है? और तस्वीर में तो आपको स्वतंत्रता है कि आप कहानी को मोड़ के सकारात्मक बना सकते हो. इसलिए कोशिश करो कभी भी अपने हीरो, कभी भी कोई व्यक्ति को मत मार. जब तक जीवित रख सकते हो अपने माता पिता, भाई बहन, सब लोग की देखभाल करो और उनको अच्छे से रखो. It is very sad that sometimes people lose their dear ones and then they realize the value of the dear ones. So remember, everybody is dear, everybody who is positively connected to you, everybody who thinks for you, everybody who time to time cares for you is positive. So go ahead with that and God bless you. You learn something from this and I'm sure that these ideas will help you. So think positive, enjoy your positivity and enjoy your good stories. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.